Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So you might have heard me talk about my tractor and how I've had some problems with it. Four-wheel drive wasn't working. I was leaking hydraulic fluid all over the place. So in fact I had to park it on a hill to keep it from leaking. So we recently got up to the cabin, and the first thing we had to do is we had to get up and try to grade as much as we could around the cabin for fire protection. So we got in there, got settled, did some chainsaw work, got the tractor out, and just knocked everything down to dirt as best we could. And then we had to get the tractor out. So this video is really just a short video about getting the tractor out, and it's a bit of a crazy experience getting the tractor out of this location. I often will leave the trailer 3 miles down below our place and drive the tractor all the way down and load it up. So we're going to get the tractor out, get her loaded up, get her on the road, and I'll bring that to you. All right, folks, well, we're getting out of here. I got my wife driving the tractor. I showed her how to drive it once before, and so she jumped on it. I told her I wouldn't film her. She doesn't like being on film. So she's on the tractor behind me. Maybe I can catch her in the mirrors. I'm pulling out the trailer, and we'll load the tractor down below, because I've got to sneak the trailer past a big rock, and it's just so much harder to do with the tractor on it. So we'll sneak around it without it first. I'm trying not to dust her out. All right, there she is. So we're gonna get the truck and trailer and tractor down out of here so that we can load the tractor up below and get it to the shop and get it fixed. As soon as I get through this narrow spot here. Look at that windshield. So Mr. Ben Bradley over at Dusty Ranch, are you sure you've got a Dusty Ranch? Because I'm telling you what, if you don't have glacial flour like we do here, you ain't got a Dusty Ranch, buddy. We have talcum powder dust. All right, I told her I wouldn't film her, so I better stop. I gotta go close the gate as soon as she gets through, and then we'll get down to the bottom and get this tractor loaded up. That's because you're in first.
damage the hitch or the
I think I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. Fix it the right way. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Tom Cox, for setting me straight from the grave. May he rest in peace. Good old Tom. So for those who want to know what I'm doing, I'm fixing the binders. When you don't do this all the time, you forget how to do it. Tom Cox showed me how to do this. And then I forgot because I haven't done it in so long. There we go. Okay. Now, let's do it the right way. Wrap those around there and you're done. Okay, let's go. Well, hopefully I get this in the right spot. All right. All right, folks, we got the tractor here. Now to get it fixed. So hopefully we can get it fixed, get the four-wheel drive working, get the seal fixed so it's not leaking anymore. Then we got to pick it up, get it all the way back up to the cabin again. So we'll see how that goes, but thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. The old Jarhead out.